They did in Japan and Europe, but not in the States, unfortunately. Saying about looking for glass and everything, I was thinking, yeah, these tires aren't going to be cheap to replace, that's for sure. Probably get a little bit of light going through. Yeah, so I use this thing. No, I did it all myself. It's tripod, and it's like a 30-second timer. So I go through with the white light, kind of went around, and it's a 30-second shutter, so it keeps the camera open for a long time. And then you go through, I switch over to color, and that's where I do the light streaks going through. Taking it out of the car really quick. It should be good for this one. What else we got here? Make sure it doesn't hit the car. Yeah, you can do the heat range, you can do brightness. The other side is what the RGB is going to be, and then it has, if you click the button on the top left, it'll go through all the different cycles that it has. steering wheel. A little bit more. Yeah, so it's going to be a little more aggressive. Keep going. Keep going. Maybe a little bit more. You're good. All right. No, you're good. Do a little bit more. This one's going to be kind of close. I'll let you know when. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more right there. Some of the reflection from the graffiti, which looks really cool. Now you're good. Okay, you're good. Thank you. And you said about going through and getting, I guess you can lift the hatch. I can shoot through as well. I think for most people, they respect this place because they really appreciate having something like this.
I only found out about it because my daughter's dance class. Where's that spot? And I saw your pictures and I was like,
And this is front engine, right? It's mid. Okay, so it's all hidden with all the other stuff. Is anything? Okay. Yeah, that's a bummer. But there's what else? I got all that other stuff. Maybe I'll get another one. It's one at the police door. We'll get maybe through this door as well, going through, and then the back hatch will stay open. Yeah, if I didn't catch anything, I'll be a quick fix for me. Try to get you about as much as I can. No problem. Yeah, there's some people who say like, oh yeah, I only get you like 10 photos or anything, which you might hear a lot. Which means they take a lot of photos and then they have to pick out of 10. And then, yeah. Good with interior for right now. Yes, please. you're talking like for
No, no, no.
the GT4. Oh yeah, if you don't mind, you just hold the top left button and I'll turn it off. Thank you. And that's just the stock exhaust on it, right? Oh, it's not? Ah. I saw, yeah, they're BBS.